So finally in the shop, well, outside, and we're going to start on the carbon fiber parts for the FZ09. I'm going to start with the rear fender, tire hugger, however you want to call it. This is going to be super easy since I don't have the back wheel because I have a new tire on it right now. You don't need to do this, but it's going to help a little bit. Tool wise, it's gonna be really easy. 5mm Allen and maybe a pair of pliers for the brake line clip. But that should be it. Should be quite easy. So let's get wrenching. So we have 1, 2, and a third one back here, but that's pretty much it. There you go. All that's left is take these little washers, take them out, and put them back in the new fender and the clip here. So it's gonna be easy. Just, you know, I can do it by hand, I think, but I'm gonna use my pliers. So just first step, it's out. There's a second pair right here. And then just push on these little tabs and then voila, it's done. So to get the washers in, you might need to file it down a little bit, the holes, but don't worry about the carbon fiber because there is aluminum in there. So focus. There is aluminum washers. So like me, I'm taking like a basic tire file. Just fine work it all around the edges and it's gonna fit. Oh, another. Well, now everything is back on, and you will need to drill these holes to get the washers in, and this one was really small. I had to drill a lot, but you know, it's the price to pay for carbon, I guess. Let's start assembling. And with a little bit more struggling than I thought it would be, we're done. Overall on the rear fender, I'm gonna give the fit and finish a 7 out of 10. You will need to work the holes, and if you don't work it the right way, you're gonna struggle like I did, like to get it flush, and you're gonna have to reshave again. And so 7 out of 10, but overall, sturdy, it's good. Now it's gonna be the front carbon fiber fender. I'm gonna take this one off. Should be pretty easy. I'll take my time because it's in good shape. The paint is good, no chips. So I'm gonna try to save it in case I want to sell it or put it back on. Shouldn't be too hard. Just like the back, a few Allens. Plastic tab, on and off. It's a 4mm Allen key for the side. That was easy. It's loose. So everything holding in are the plastic tabs. Little tabs around here are like crocodile. Just need to like pry the back one open, and then the front one's gonna just work itself out. So pliers is gonna help. Just a little bit of this. See? Just like that. That's how you open them. There are two on the other side. One here, one on top. And the one on top right here. There.
So the camera died, so I took the old Fender out. You know what? I like the look it gives it. The Fender looks neat. Real like tracker look. Anyway, for those who remember, last year I did a post on Instagram. I thought my Fender was cracked. Well, there it is. You know, at the beginning of the video, the part that I said I'll take my time and maybe resell it, not gonna happen. It's done. You have these little washers you need to put in to center the bolts, and they go from behind like so. And just like the rear, you need to drill a little bit to make them fit, because like you can see it's not totally there, and I dropped it. And don't worry about it. Like inside here, it's all aluminum, so you're not eating into the carbon. Just drill it out with a big bit, and it's gonna be good. I've learned from the rear, so I'm getting a little bit better at this. So I will show you real quick how I did it. Story time. How to drill carbon. Your beautiful carbon piece you just bought. I'm gonna do the top one. Like, go slowly and double check, not take away too much. Just, you know, it's easy. Just big drill and just go. Just like that, work your way around it, keep the circle, the perfect circle, and you see, still need a little bit more. Might take a few times, but we'll get there. And if you have a smaller drill than me, it's a good thing to work from this side and the other one, because, you know, from just this side you're going to create a small taper, so it's going to be not going to be the same size on the back. Close, but not it. See, just like that, it's gonna pop in place. Look, now you're ready to go. I already put the rubber grommet on the top on, but the other ones on the side, you'll need to put it on the bike first. It's the opposite of removal. Slowly work your way in. Not to scratch nothing. It's a tight fit. And the tricky part is that the brake lines, like, they grip on the carbon, so it doesn't want to go anymore. So see. See? Undo, plump, it opens, and it closes again. I don't actually remember which one was in it. Both? Just one? Both? No, just one. Just like that. It's popping into place. It's not a big install. Just need to take your time. You know, just do it with a beer, and I think it should work out. See, when these tabs are in good state, it should clip just like that. That's how you put a front fender and rear fender on the FZ09. It gives it a good look. Like, I wasn't sure about keeping the front fender or the whole carbon. I was thinking about doing like the sides and like paint scheme. I'm gonna wrap that, so I was gonna wrap that, but I'm gonna wrap the fake air scoop instead, so it's gonna give it more color. Right now this bike is a lot of carbon, and there's gonna be a little plate here. It's gonna be carbon soon. It's gonna be a Yamaha piece, so fitment should be good. So this was the install of the front and rear carbon fiber from TST Industries. Good fit. I had more trouble with the rear and the front, but that was a little bit like a mistake from my part, less experience. But like fit and finish, it's a solid 8. Yeah, 8. It's not gonna be a 10, it's not perfect because you need to drill it. But with body parts, aftermarket body parts, that's the game. So I'm happy, I love the look. And my front fender was cracked, so killing 2 birds with 1 stone. See you next time on the build series.